Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have prerequisites: an account, the app on your devices, and sync enabled. Start by creating one list per major area, work, personal, projects, so tasks stay organized. Next, add a few high-priority tasks with due dates and reminders. This forces the system to surface smart suggestions and My Day options. Once done, pin the app to your taskbar or mobile home screen and allow notifications so you never miss a due time. Now refine your lists. Open a task and add steps to map the exact actions. This prevents fuzzy entries and procrastination. Make consistent tags like email, call, and errand, then filter your view to batch similar work. Also set up recurring rules for weekly tasks and connect Microsoft To Do with Outlook and Power Automate to create emails as tasks or automate task creation from forms. These middle steps convert raw tasks into reliable. To finish strong, run a weekly review. Clear completed items, reschedule deferred work, and archive obsolete lists so your workspace stays lean. Each morning, use My Day to pick 3 top priority tasks from your filtered views. This keeps momentum while avoiding overload. If something goes wrong, like missing tasks or sync errors, force a manual sync, confirm you're signed into the correct account, and restart the app. If that fails, reinstall to reset local data safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.